my channel, you guys. Today's video is sponsored by Tinashe Hair. Now, they did send me their 13x4 brown color straight unit, and I did decide to go ahead and curl it. As you guys can see, it is at 200% density at 24 inches. It just feels so good. Like, I feel like I was gone for just a little bit from my channel, and it just feels so good, you guys just don't know. I'll talk about that in another video, of course, but before we jump right into this install, you guys, I do want to let you guys know that I do have another fragrance from Dossier, and I so love this fragrance, you guys. This is a Chanel fragrance. Looking at some of my videos, you would know that Dossier is a perfume fragrance company, both unisex, male and female, that gives you fragrances at a great affordable price. They give stuff like YSL, they give you Chanel, with the fragrance that I'll be talking about. They give you Baccarat, they'll give you Gucci, different types of fragrances, again, at an affordable price. So for instance, if you were to buy a YSL for about what, $125, $150, just throwing that cost out there, and you purchase through Dossier, you will get that at an affordable price of $50 or less. And also you can use my coupon code, which is Anihja 10, to get money off of your fragrance. So definitely check out the website, you guys. But this fragrance that I do have today, I do want to just say that this is definitely one of my favorite fragrances. This is a Chanel fragrance. Now, you guys, as I stated before, I do like to smell super sexy, and I like my fragrances to last a long time. This Chanel fragrance, I don't know what it is. I feel like with this fragrance, you guys, you'll definitely be noticed. Like, as soon as you walk past somebody, they are going to smell this. Like, this smell is given very much like sexy, expensive, like you wash up good, all of that. Like, this is definitely one of my favorite fragrances, like I said, you guys. What I started to do with these fragrances before I review them is to just test them out. So I did test out this fragrance because I knew I was gonna go ahead and review this one, and I'm telling you guys, this smell lasts for so long. I mean until you wash your clothes, like, this scent is gonna be in your clothes. And this is exactly the scent. If you're looking for something long lasting throughout the day, this is definitely the scent for you. Please get this Chanel fragrance. This is the woody hyacinth. That's the name of the fragrance, but again, it is a Chanel fragrance. So I will have everything in the description box for you guys, so you guys can check out this fragrance. I'm telling you, this smells so good. So before we jump into this video, you guys, make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so when I post, you don't miss an update. to the details of this unit, okay? So the first thing I want to talk about, of course, is the lace. Now, this lace, you guys, is more so of a clear lace. No, it's not HD. No, it's not transparent. So you're gonna have to be patient and work a little bit harder to try to get this lace to blend unless you bleach the knots. With this unit, I didn't decide to bleach the knots. I actually wanted to see how it would do, just off the simple fact that this unit is more so of a like a brownish color. Like, I wouldn't think that it would be that hard to blend the unit without bleaching it. So I just went on ahead and just was like, let me just try to blend it with my foundation and just see how that goes. Now with this unit, you guys, you will still kind of see the knots in this unit. So I would definitely suggest that you definitely bleach the knots on this unit. Now again, it is a clear lace, so I'm not sure how it's gonna take the bleach. Depending on what type of lace it is, sometimes those clear laces do take the bleach and sometimes they don't. So you can, I would definitely suggest you bleach the knots, give it a go. Let me know how it goes once you purchase the unit, and let me know how the lace takes the bleach. I'll probably try to bleach it myself as well. Now you guys aren't really able to tell as far as the knots showing on this unit, is because I did decide to go ahead and blend the lace with my NARS foundation. The NARS foundation works pretty well with me blending my lace and everything. For my ladies who don't know what a 13x4 is, a 13x4 is basically a more versatile type of wig. You can do a side part with it. I did decide to do it on the left side, but you could do it on the right side if you're more so of a right side type of girl. But you can do that side part, you can do a middle part, or you can go ahead and do an updo look. So those type of units, the 13x4s, are very, very versatile, and you can switch it up whenever you want to. So the reason why I decided to curl this unit, you guys, is because specifically because I was gonna just straighten it as a side part, but I did notice the way this unit is customized, that the way you part it, you have to part it going up as opposed to parting it straight back. So the track kind of starts, I would say, like right here for your side part. So I wanted to curl it because I knew that if I curled it, it would just completely go with the style. So, but if you want to straighten it, you can most definitely do that. Just letting you know that when you do part it, it goes upward, like towards, like it's like a curve, as opposed to doing it straight. Even though this parting space is at a curve, I will say the parting space goes back pretty far. I would say maybe about 4 to 5 inches, which is really, really good because you can really see the parting and it looks really, really natural. Now, as far as the baby hairs go, you guys, the first thing before I point out the baby hairs is that when you get this unit, you're definitely gonna have to pluck across the hairline, because the way the hairline was customized is it's kind of like at a curve. Like, you got hair starting here, you got hair starting back here, so you want to make sure that you pluck all across the hairline to get it all straight, to get all the hair, basically to get all the hair to look like it's in a straight line. Your hairline is definitely not going to be a straight hairline, like so definitely you're gonna have to do some plucking with this unit. Like I stated before, you guys, this unit you have to be a little more patient and you do have to take your time. Now with the baby hairs, I will say once I plucked it and everything, I feel like once you pluck that hairline, make all the hair look like it's in a straight line across your hairline, it's gonna be easy to pull out those baby hairs. So when I pulled out the baby hairs, you can definitely see scalp, okay? That's why I'm telling you, it's so important to just go ahead and pluck that hairline before you do anything else, because when you lay down those baby hairs, it's gonna look like it's strictly coming out of your scalp, okay? So the baby hairs were so easy to pull out. I did decide to just do some here, I did some right here, and then I did do some along the sides, and it came out really, really good. I didn't have to do too much as far as baby hairs, and I would say usually with 13x4s, I always say do baby hairs, but you really don't have to do them if you don't want to. I mean, I feel like once you use the right glue to lay down this hair, which I would definitely suggest some lace bond glue for sure. This is the clear lace, so you really have to be on point as far as what type of glue you use with this lace. So use some good ghost bond glue. Now I will say, you guys, as far as the texture of this unit, it's giving me a yaki texture, but I feel like it definitely has a touch of silky in the texture as well. And I say that because as you can see, you guys can kind of see it. I feel like you know when it's like really yucky, and you know when it has some type of like silkiness in it. It's not too much to where it looks wiggy or anything like that, but it definitely has a good shine to it, to where you know it's like good hair, but then it's also natural because of course you see that yuckiness in it. So it has a mixture of both, which, like I always say, either I like it yucky, not coarse yucky, because I feel like there's different types of yakis, but this texture is a good yucky, and it also has a touch of silkiness in it. So this unit is definitely bouncy, definitely takes heat really well. My heat goes up to 450. So as you guys can see, these curls are laid. I also did layer this hair as well, so this hair came out so good, you guys. I'm really happy with it. Now, as far as any tangling or any shedding, you guys, I did not get any tangling or any shedding. This to be a 13x4 and also have some lace in the back. The only time a little bit of hair came out is when I cut the lace, but other than that, you're not getting any tangling or any shedding with this unit. Even when I washed it, I didn't get any type of hair coming out. So this unit is just, I don't have anything bad to say about this hair, you guys. Now, as far as the way this wig fits, you guys, if you're a bigger head girl, I would suggest you adjust the straps and you'll be perfectly fine. If you're a smaller head girl, again, just go ahead and adjust the straps. I think that this unit fits very well, especially for it to be a 13x4, because sometimes with those 13x4s, it can be so much lace that it just feels loose around your head. But I think they did really good as far as the customization of that to make sure that it fits whether you have a bigger head or if you have a smaller head. Now, this unit will run you for about $346 on the site, you guys, but I kid you not, like I stated before, you're not getting any issues with this unit at all. This unit is 200% density, literally. This unit has nice thickness. It's not too much to where you feel like the hair is gonna start tangling or anything like that. Like I said, it all goes hand in hand. This unit has a touch of yuckiness, silkiness, definitely has nice bounce, takes heat really well. So I feel like this unit is definitely worth it. And again, you're getting that thickness, and again, it is about to be winter here. We're currently like in the fall going towards the winter, but this is definitely the perfect unit for that, for the fall or the winter. So I would definitely check out this wig on the site, you guys. This is definitely a wig worth buying. So this will be the end of this video, you guys. Make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Again, make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so when I post, you don't miss an update. Make sure you like this video, comment below, share, and I will see you guys on my next one.